Welcome to our tutorial on finding volunteer opportunities, developed under the Erasmus Plus Train to Act project. In this 10-minute tutorial, we'll guide you on finding and applying for volunteer opportunities that align with your passion for making a difference. Let's take a look at our content list. We will start with a brief discussion and continue with online resources. Then we will jump into local organizations and finalize the tutorial with key aspects of the application process. But first, let's have a look at our objectives. We will uncover diverse volunteer opportunities, while guiding you through the application process, and we will empower you to apply with confidence. Let's start. Why finding volunteer opportunities matters. Builds a stronger community. Engaging in volunteer work strengthens the social fabric, creating a sense of belonging and community. Personal growth and skill development. Volunteering provides opportunities to develop new skills, enhance existing ones, and foster personal growth. Addresses social issues. Volunteerism is a powerful tool for addressing societal challenges and making a tangible impact on issues that matter. Lastly, creates a ripple effect. Each volunteer action has a ripple effect, inspiring others to contribute and creating a collective force for positive change. Remember, understanding how to find and engage in volunteer opportunities is not just about giving back, it's about building a better, more connected world. Unlocking your potential through volunteerism. Discover your passion. Finding volunteer opportunities helps you identify causes you are passionate about, aligning your efforts with your interests. Enhance career opportunities. Volunteering provides a platform to develop and showcase valuable skills, enhancing your professional profile. Promotes well-being. Engaging in meaningful activities contributes to personal well-being, reducing stress and fostering a positive mindset. Leaves a lasting legacy. Your volunteer efforts contribute to a legacy of positive change, leaving an impact that extends beyond the immediate moment. Remember, knowing how to find and apply for volunteer opportunities is not just a skill, it's a pathway to unlocking your potential and making a lasting difference in the world. Online resources. In Europe, two widely used platforms are Volunteer Match and Idealist, connecting volunteers with causes that matter. Let's explore how to navigate these platforms to find the perfect match for your passion. Volunteer Match is a hub of opportunities. Volunteer Match is a popular platform for connecting volunteers with non-profit organizations. It's user-friendly and offers a vast array of opportunities across Europe. To get started, visit volunteermatch.org and create your account. Let's move on to a quick demo on how to set up your profile and explore opportunities. Creating an account on Volunteer Match is simple. Follow these steps. First, go to volunteermatch.org and click on Sign Up or Create Account. Then fill in your details such as name, email, and password. Set your location preferences. Lastly, choose your areas of interest and skills. This information helps match you with opportunities that align with your passions. Now, let's explore Idealist. Visit idealist.org to begin your journey. Idealist is a global platform connecting idealists around the world with opportunities in the non-profit sector. It's an excellent resource for finding volunteer roles with a purpose. Similar to Volunteer Match, Idealist allows you to create a profile and discover volunteer opportunities that resonate with your values. Creating a profile on Idealist follows a similar process. First, go to idealist.org. Then click on Sign Up or Create Account. Afterward, complete your profile with personal information and specify your volunteer interests and skills. Do not forget to save your preferences. By providing information about yourself and your interests, you increase the likelihood of finding volunteer opportunities that truly align with your values and aspirations. Now that you've created your accounts, here are some quick tips for crafting an appealing profile. An inviting photo, a compelling bio, and highlighting your skills make your profile stand out, increasing your chances of finding the perfect volunteer role. To do that, you should upload a friendly photo. A picture is worth 1,000 words. Upload a photo that reflects your personality. Secondly, you should craft a compelling bio, share a bit about yourself, your passions, and why you want to volunteer. Lastly, highlight your skills, showcase your skills to attract opportunities that match your strengths. Now that we've explored online platforms, let's shift our focus to engaging locally. There are countless gems of volunteer opportunities right in your own neighborhood, waiting for passionate individuals like yourself to make a difference. Follow these steps. Connect with your community. Volunteering locally fosters a sense of connection with your neighbors and the community at large. Secondly, support local causes and contribute directly to the causes that matter most to your community. Lastly, hands-on impact. Local volunteering often provides tangible, hands-on experiences where you can see the immediate impact of your efforts. Local volunteering is the heartbeat of community engagement. It allows you to connect, support, and make a hands-on impact in your immediate surroundings. Discovering local opportunities is simpler than you might think. Here are a few steps to guide you in finding and engaging with local organizations and events that align with your passion for volunteering. Step 1. Explore local organizations, research, and connect with local charities, community centers, and nonprofits. 2. Attend community events and participate in local events to discover ongoing volunteer opportunities. And Step 3. Engage in hands-on activities and seek out activities that align with your interests and skills. As you engage locally, remember that your actions have the power to build lasting connections, create positive change, and be a catalyst for community involvement. Let's take a closer look at how you can start making a difference right in your neighborhood. Building lasting connections. Local volunteering allows you to build meaningful relationships with people who share your commitment. Creating positive change. By contributing locally, you actively participate in creating positive change where it matters most. You should be a community catalyst. Your efforts can inspire others to join in, creating a ripple effect of positive community engagement. Application process. As you explore and find the perfect volunteer opportunity, understanding the application process is key to ensuring your passion and skills shine through. Let's walk through the steps to guide you seamlessly through this crucial stage. The application process is an opportunity to express your genuine interest and commitment. Let's delve into the essential elements that can help you craft a compelling application. First, you should express your motivation. Clearly articulate why you're passionate about the cause and eager to contribute. Then highlight your relevant skills. Emphasize skills that align with the volunteer role you're applying for. Lastly, demonstrate your commitment. Express your commitment to the cause and your availability for the specified time period. To craft a compelling application, you should personalize your message. Tailor your application to reflect your unique qualities and connection to the cause. Do not forget that quality is over quantity. Focus on quality responses rather than overwhelming with excessive information. Lastly, proofread carefully. Ensure your application is free from errors, presenting a polished and professional impression. Your application is your chance to showcase who you are and why you're the perfect fit for the role. Once your application is submitted, stay engaged throughout the process. Check your email regularly, follow up when appropriate, and maintain a positive outlook as you await the organization's response. As concluding remarks, remember, you should find your passion first, then apply with confidence and embrace the opportunity to engage both locally and globally. The world awaits your positive impact. Thank you for joining us on this empowering journey. Together, let's continue to inspire change, foster connections, and build a better world through the transformative power of volunteering. This video is produced by Fear in Action as Greek partner of the Erasmus Plus Train to Act project.